Hi all, this is Param. In this video we will see the alerts available for the anomaly detection jobs. Okay, that means some things we are defining the jobs, right? Okay, we are defining the jobs. We combine a combination of data feed, detectors, okay, influencer, the many things are okay. Okay, yeah, output index, there are okay, there are many things are there we have discussed. Okay, fine. Now we want machine learning jobs are there, okay, of course, okay, we have configured enough, that's fine. Okay, if you want to know the status of the jobs, okay, every time we cannot go and open, every time we cannot depend on either API or Kibana to open any anomaly detections have found or not, something, right? Okay, it's not like every 1 hour we go and check something like that. Okay, so obviously there will be some latency or maybe be also maybe available to know that. Okay, so that's why what is there is alert. Okay, there is alert. It is available within the Kibana itself. So I don't think there is API based. Okay, I have not seen any such. If I have, I will show it the upcoming video as a demo. Okay, but I don't think there is a API for available to create the alert. No, how come? Okay, it must be API there. Okay, it must be API must be there. Okay, but till now I have not seen such API. So that's fine. Okay, so in this video I am going to show us a demo in the Kibana it's only. Okay, fine. Before looking to the Kibana, right, the purpose of this what is now something. See, you are defining anomaly detection jobs, but you want to get notified some anomalies are occurred when and then and there. Okay, or some issues are happened. Okay, or some error messages are happened. So if you want to get notified, you can get notified. So that is one thing. Second thing, that is for with respect to anomalies. Okay, okay. If you want to know this health of the job itself, okay. If you want to know get notified health of based on the health of any anomaly detection jobs, there is option for that also. Okay. So basically we can basically the alerts which can be created for the machine anomaly detection jobs. There are two types. Okay. One is health based health of the jobs. Another one is what is anomalies found in the by the job itself. Okay, by the job itself. Okay, so and the third one is this action variables. Okay, I'll tell you. So the purpose of the action variable is just okay. We can define the actions. Okay, there are several actions are there. Okay, so in that actions, if you want to populate the message, okay, you can use this action variable. But unfortunately watcher, right, normal watcher, right, for the normal watcher there we don't have that such kind of action variable, right? Okay, if it have that would be good. Okay, maybe let them to configure later stage at least. Okay, so that is what action variables, it's really good one. Okay, so instead of we read to know the strategy to know the path, because of the path of the anomaly detection result is same. Okay, so that's why they have given the variables. Okay, but in normal watcher watcher, of course, it's they don't have any idea about the result set structure, right? So that's why they may not give, I believe. That's fine. Okay, that is out of topic. Okay, so let's say first one things we can create the alerts. Okay, these are the four rules you can check, you can use. Okay, based on any one of these rule or based on all of these rules, you can create the action. Similarly, there are two rules for the anomalies. Okay, based on these rules, you can create actions. Okay, so obviously without action, by creating rules, no. So without action, creating an alerts just it's not useful, right? Okay. Okay, so it's really good options. Okay, it's really good option, good features. Okay, since we can define and we can move we can focus on other tasks instead of whether it's occurred or not, otherwise occurred or not. So instead of checking manually. Okay, it's really good. Okay, it's really good. Now how we can define in the Kibana. Okay, fine. Okay, so obviously this is a navigation, discard changes. Okay, let me go to here. Okay, so here I have defined some of the actions. Okay, in the Kibana rules on the connector, this is the page. Okay, in this page you can create the rules. So these rules not only support for the machine learning jobs. Okay, there are some other categories. So here see, this is our APM and APM things, and here is you can see the log specific. Okay, this is what machine learning specific. So machine learning specific, there are two types. As I told you, machine learning and anomaly detection alert, then health status. Okay, so you can select anyone whichever you want. Okay, based on that which one you selected, that's accordingly that options are available. Okay, so let me select some useful jobs. Okay, population, no response code is it? Okay, that's very big. Okay, so yeah, for the response code there are three options are there. Okay, so okay, you can select. Okay, so whatever things are you want. So accordingly you can select. Okay, we'll say packet or records or influencer. Basically you can select accordingly. So even I can remove, I think. Okay, I can remove. So if I select something low rate, okay, let's see that it has only two stuff. Okay, I don't have option to influencer. I cannot write based on influencer. So basically what is on that is a type of the jobs, anomaly detection jobs. Okay, okay, based on the type of the jobs, the options are available. The result types will be varying, right? Now the result types vary. Okay, fine. And then you can check the severity. Okay, so by default it's a 75. Okay, that means what is 75? The anomaly score. The anomaly score is greater than 70, greater than or equal to 75. You start the alert. Okay, that is what option. Of course, if you want to change, you can change. Okay, by this using the sliders you can change 92 or above 90, just alert me, otherwise no, I can ignore otherwise. Okay, I want to just for review only. Okay, that is fine. Then what is interim result? Okay, so within the each packet the final score will be calculated, right? So sorry, for every packet there will be a final score will be calculated, right? So if you want to know the interim result, I mean before to the final result of particular packet for any packet within any packet. Okay, so if you want to alert based on that also you can alert. Okay, that's what difference. Okay, now if you want to test, okay, let's say for let's say for 4 minutes. Okay, you can do test. Okay, let's say if the results are populated here itself. So of course there is no anomaly occurred in the first 4 minutes. Okay, that's what kind of testing. Okay, but this is for just for testing purpose. Okay, that's just testing purpose. Actually, according to the rate we have defined, right, every 1 minute or every 1 hour something. Okay, so what is it? This is just name. Okay, you can give any name. What happened? Why it is not working? Yeah. Okay. You can give any names, then you can give any roles. Okay, any status change or something, alert something. Okay, so accordingly. Okay, so this is the common. Okay, for all type of jobs. Of course, right now we are checking about anomaly detection jobs only. Okay, okay, that's fine. So once you here there is some advanced settings. Okay, what is a loop back interval? For every times how many minutes it has to look back. I mean previous records are nothing. Okay, so you take this is the default values. Okay, you take the default values. Okay, so 122 minutes. So whenever it's run, it will check 122 minutes previous records, previous packets. Okay, so number of latest packets. Okay, the number of latest packets check obtain the highest priority. Okay, so how many packets it has to be checked for the highest values. Okay. Let's say even so one packet has more value or two packets has more value. So that's if you want. So usually you will get the overall score, right? Overall score. But each packet also have the anomaly score, right? You know, right? Each packet has anomaly score. Each document has anomaly score. Each influencer will have anomaly score, right? Okay, fine. So in that case, if you want like a latest packet, okay, so how many packets have the highest value? This above 92. Okay, so that's how if you want you can configure, but otherwise you can leave it. So that is what. So advanced options are optional. Okay, fine. So you can then obviously we have to kind of associate with any actions. Okay, so these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there are 11 11 connectors are there. Okay, so using these any one of these 11s you can create accordingly. Okay, let's say if you want to create an anomaly, so by mail, this is SMTP. Okay, you can see here what is that. The thing is what I want to know here, these are the action variable. Okay, these are the action variables. So actions are populated automatically. If you want to still use, you can associate. Let's say okay, there's something if you want to include, you can let's say these are the variable, these are the available variable, these are the variables. This is not disabled. This is disabled. Okay, then okay, only these are the, then rule name. Okay, okay, whatever subject you want you can give. Okay, and this is usage of action variables. So action variables you should do only the actions. Okay, so you can customize your message in the action. That's what. So you can add the action. Okay, then if you want you can add any more, that's fine. Then save that. So by default it will sorry, before to save, okay, I want to change that action alert, right? No, anomaly detection I don't want anomaly detection alert. Then let me go for health status. So I think anomaly detections I have explained, right? What is that? Let me highlight. So based on the anomaly score, yes, based on the interim results. Okay, these two. Okay, of course look back options also available, the number of packets also available, right? So let me add that one. Look back option, and look back hours, okay, time, okay, duration, okay, let me durations, then number of buckets, right? Number of buckets, these are, there are the buckets. So okay, there are the 4 options, are 4 rules, okay, that's what they will say in the documentation, the rules, okay, there are 4 rules are available. Okay, let me give some other color, yellow, yeah, it will be good. Okay, let me change the yellow at least, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so these are the 4 options available for the 4 rule options or rules, whatever you want to say, okay, only for the alerting based on the anomaly score by jobs or anomaly result, yeah, based on the anomaly result, okay. Then other type of jobs, health issues, okay, sorry, if there is any health of the particular jobs, okay. Now yeah, of course we have selected the jobs, okay. Either data feed is not started or not, based on the, of course assume that jobs are started but that data feed is not started, then you alert me, okay, then you can disable or enable, okay, you can that. Similarly model limits, okay, you know, right, model limit we will configure. Model means what, snapshot is different, model limit is different, so the size of the model frame keep on developing by the machine learning jobs, right? Okay, so that's, you can enable or disable. Okay, whenever it reaches soft and hard limit, it will mail you, or it will act accordingly. Then delayed occurred, okay. So you know what is the delay, right? So let's say we have configured the packet span every 2 hours, okay. So sorry, every 20 minutes, okay. So every 20 minutes it will run the query, right? So once it reaches the 20 minutes, okay, it should not immediately query, it has to wait, okay, it has to wait. You wait for 2 seconds or 10 seconds, then you run the query, okay, that's what. So that is what delay, right? So whether delays occur or not, okay, so that's what, but we can configure accordingly, okay, the how many time also. Then if there any error message occurred, okay, any error message occurred, so what is not this, if you configure, it will be impact upcoming jobs only, okay. So it will not impact on the existing, it will not impact on the existing jobs, okay. So these are the things are, okay, data delay, again memory reach limits, okay. So all these things are impact on upcoming jobs, okay. Of course, then you can use, while creating jobs, yeah, I forgot to tell you this important one, okay. So here you will select your jobs name, okay. The thing is, you can use the star as well, or some character then some star, okay. Okay, that's how also you can you can create. So these are all, so health status will be work for the upcoming jobs, not. So that means if you want your job, if you want, you assume that you have created a job, so okay, that for the job is fine, but you want to create alert on that, then what you, okay, you want to create alert for anomaly result, then it's well good, of course that also going to work on the upcoming, okay. If you want create an alert for the health related issues, okay, you have to create after that, then what is the way, you can simply clone the jobs and do that, then just create it. So that's how alert rules will be work for that as well, okay. Okay, the one news good, I mean, one practice what they are saying now. So you give the name of the jobs here, name of the alert rule, right? So just to use the name of the jobs, okay. So this is the jobs, right? So you can use the same name, okay, as a alert name, that's what, name of the job itself you can use alert. That's kind of good practice, okay, it's a kind of good practice. So I want to conclude now. So there are 2 type of alerts are there related to the anomaly detection or machine learning jobs, okay. Okay, sorry, anomaly detection only, okay. So there are 2 relates there, okay. If you want, let me close it, then you can, let's go there, okay. Metrics, okay, metrics SPCs, that's fine, okay. Where is anomaly detection? Yeah, okay. So machine learning, so of course for the machine learning alerts are there only for the anomaly detection only, so not about the data from analytics, okay. Yeah, so there is no alert for the data from analytics, only the anomaly detection. There is a 2 type of alerts are there, okay. For these 2 type of alerts I have explained, both have set of rules or set of options, you can say rules or options, okay. For and action wise, there is separate action rules are there, okay. Sorry, set of rules, set of action variables are there, you can use that to enrich, yeah, to enrich your actions message. Okay, that's all about the alerts supported by the elastics anomaly detections, okay. So these 2 jobs are only, okay, these 2 type of jobs, sorry, these 2 type of alerts are there only for anomaly detections, okay. let for anomaly detection jobs by rules or options. Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the content. But unfortunately, till now I have not seen any API. Obviously, it must have API, right? Otherwise, yeah, since Kibana is a web application, so obviously it will make the REST API only. So API should be there. Okay, once I get, I will show in the first part of the demo. But as of now, I have shown demo in the Kibana only. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, leave your comments, like my videos.